Hi everybody, I'm Jennifer Martinez. I want to start talking about unit, and they are people that inhabitants North American. They speak a great variety of language and with a lot of variety, specifically with the vocabulary. For example, some use count the word stem, it, whistled. Other consider all the different words from that use that stem, it, it's, eating, and think about your own specific using that. The example: walk, walk, walk it, walking. Three different words that just one word. Now, let's talk about the word snow. Snow is also derived from the word mother. Remember that words are adapted with the categories such as a number, gender, or time. And you pick language. It suggests that there are approximately 12 to 13 words that really relative the snow. Why? They are communities that face snow daily in a hard and dangerous environment, and it is necessary to transmit information quickly and accurately. Thank you so much.